Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off voice navigation on Google Maps. To do this, you have just to go open Google Maps app. After that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to Settings. On Settings, you have just to go to Navigation, the second option. And as you can see, there is the first option, Guidance Audio. If you want to turn off voice navigation, you have just to click on Mute. And by clicking on Mute, so the voice navigation will not work anymore on Google Maps for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.